Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what you need to do to come into alignment with your ideal relationship. And the Three of Cups came through. And the message today is this: to celebrate. Celebrate in advance the kind of relationship that you want to experience. Because like I've said, and I've said it before many times, you are the creator. And it's no different with relationships. You are creating them as well from your belief system and perceptions. And so this card, the message is about, also expressing who you truly are, expressing yourself verbally, opening your heart chakra, and also feeling safe to have the kind of relationship that you want. And really celebrating this. So if you had the relationship that you wanted, what would you be celebrating? Right? I want you to note it down. Even put it in the comments for me. I'd love to know because I'd love to see it. I'd love to see what kind of relationship you want to create in your life, right? And celebrate it in advance because, and also give gratitude for it in advance because that's how creation works. We give the gratitude first. We say thank you, and then it's manifested in our physical reality. So if you were in your ideal relationship, what would you be celebrating? You would be celebrating connection, just some examples. You'd be celebrating love. You'd be celebrating companionship. You would be celebrating intimacy. Like really have a think about it. You'd be celebrating sharing your life with someone that you care about and feel connected to. Let me know in the comments. All of this, I want to know. So celebration, guys. Celebrate the kind of relationship that you want to create. If you like this video, make sure you like it so I know. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do. And I will see you all soon. Bye.